Hey everybody, Dr. Oliver here for backintelligence.com, and today we're going to go over a little self-test you can do at home to see if the leg symptoms you're experiencing are sciatica or not. If you haven't done so yet, click the subscribe button, get access to videos as we put them out. So it's a basic, simple test, but essentially what we're looking to see is, are the symptoms that are going down your leg caused by sciatica or nerve impingement at some point? So what we need to do is stress the nerve and stress the low back a bit to see. So we want to be careful with these types of tests. We want to go into them very slowly, and if it reproduces our symptoms, we back out of them slowly as well. We don't want to power through them or force anything, because that's not the idea. We're just trying to see if it reproduces symptoms. So we tend to see the most stress in the low back, on the lumbar discs, in a seated position. So this exercise goes through that. It's called a slump test, and it's basically just a neural tension test. You have the nerve that exits your lower back, goes down your leg, and innervates your lower leg. So we're going to tension that nerve and see if there's any entrapment or impingement along the way that's causing these nerve type symptoms or these symptoms that you're getting in your leg. So Leon's just going to sit on a chair. Any chair will do. He's going to sit there. He's going to slightly round out his low back. So he's going to kind of posterior tilt his pelvis, which may right away cause some discomfort. And if it reproduces your symptoms in your leg right there, you're done. You don't even need to go into the test, but usually it won't. And then what he's going to do is he's just going to pick a leg. Generally, you'll pick the good leg first for this. You're just going to stick out the good leg, the one that's not getting the symptoms. Just straighten it out, and then again, he's going to bring his head a little bit closer to his knee and see what happens. Does it reproduce any symptoms? Does he get leg symptoms? He probably won't, because this is the good leg, but he may get some back tension, or he may get some symptoms in the other leg. That's possible. And then he's going to back off, and he's going to straighten out the opposite leg. So this time he'll straighten out that right leg as he brings this knee down towards, as he brings his head down towards his knee. And again, we're looking for reproduction of symptoms into that leg. If that happens, it's because he's causing nerve impingement in some way. If he doesn't get nerve symptoms into his leg and he just gets low back pain, that can be a positive sign as well, maybe more for just back tension or back strain. Or it's a nerve issue or nerve impingement that's not being provoked enough to cause this. So it might just be a lesser issue. So if you're getting any reproduction of symptoms with this and you get increased leg pain, look at the videos that we have on sciatica. We have different exercises to try to combat this. We have different positions. We talk about posturally things to avoid. You're going to want to actually avoid seated positions and flex positions because they'll cause more pain. But reference back to the other videos we have on YouTube. Look up sciatica, look up exercises to deal with that, and see if this test is positive.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like it and share it with a friend. Also, research shows that strengthening your core area can help relieve some of that low back pain that you're feeling, but it's important to know which exercises specifically to do and how, and you want these exercises to be both effective and safe for your spine. And we have just a PDF for that. So if you'd like to get a free PDF of core exercises that are safe for your spine and are very effective, there's going to be a link to get them somewhere here on the video or down below in the description. Just go to that page, enter your email, and we'll send you that PDF right away.